Hey everyone, it's JoJo and welcome to a Beyblade Burst Battle Marathon. This Beyblade Battle Marathon is long overdue. Today I have Vise Leopard 12 Lift Destroy going up against all of the other random booster Beyblades I have here. So first to 3 will be the winner. First battle, winning Valkyrie, 3 yielding. 3, 2, 1, go. KO! A point to Vise Leopard. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, very close, but winning Valkyrie gets a point. 3, 2, 1, go. And another point to winning Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, go. And a bad start for Vise Leopard. Winning Valkyrie wins the battle. Next up, Bloody Longinus 8 Vortex Defense. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, I'm giving that one to Vise Leopard. 1 point. I really think the lift frame helped it. 3, 2, 1, go. And another point to Vise Leopard. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and a knockout. Bloody Longinus gets a point. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and another knockout. Bloody Longinus isn't going down with a fight. We are tied at 2-2. For the win. 3, 2, 1, go. And your winner is Vise Leopard. Next up, Emperor Forneus 1 Meteor Hunter. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, a point to Emperor Forneus. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, KO! That was a hard hit. Another point to Emperor Forneus. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, another KO, this time to Emperor Forneus. A point to Vise Leopard. 3, 2, 1, go. And Emperor Forneus ran out of steam. 1 point to Vise Leopard. We're now tied. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Emperor Forneus takes the battle. Next up, Screw Trident and Zero Lift Volcanic. 3, 2, 1, go. Chased him out of here. 1.2 Screw Trident. 3, 2, 1, go. Screw Trident used up so much of its power in the beginning. 1.2 Vise Leopard. 3, 2, 1, go. KO! Back and forward in this battle. 1.2 Screw Trident. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, first finish! Wow, Vise Leopard got really lucky. Your winner for this battle. And the last battle of this video, Nightmare Longinus, Planets. 3, 2, 1, go. Nightmare Longinus had that really bad tilt. 1.2 Vise Leopard. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, that's kind of close. I don't know. I guess I'll call that one a draw. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, knockout! Vise Leopard gets another point. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, I'm gonna give that one to Vise Leopard. Alright, so that's it for this Beyblade Burst Battle Marathon. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and stay tuned because I have loads of battles to come. I'll see you guys soon.